Good. Good.
Welcome here on Sandy Bay Media for this episode. I'm down here with the Whippets netball team, and we're going to have a chat with some of their players to talk about their experience so far.
Run around the yellow cone. Towards the blue there. Look at me, Ash. Good.
Who do we have here?
My name is Ashley.
My name is Lance.
Jess.
India.
Ebony.
Awesome. Let's talk about it. So, what have you found? What have you enjoyed so much about it?
It's a lot of running, walking, and catching up with friends.
I got at running and walking and catching on friends. I'll shoot the goal.
Plenty of shooting, plenty of goals, plenty of running as well. I saw that. That was really good to see from you guys. Over here, what have you learnt so far in the program? What have you learnt?
About how to play as a team.
Yeah.
So participating well with friends and other teammates as well.
Just playing as a team and sharing the ball around to everyone.
Brilliant. Yes, a lot of teamwork, a lot of learning about netball, which has been great to see. What about the Sundays? Can you tell me about Sundays, your game days? How does that feel?
Exciting to play with lots of friends and just have fun.
You're exciting and play to friends. Have fun.
Awesome. And here, what does game day mean to you? Like,
It's exciting and it's never nervous to play a netball game.
I get nervous, so
It's really, really, really fun, and we won all our games last game. So let's go with it.
It's fun.
Yeah.
Exciting. I don't know.
Well done, Ash. Go in, outside leg. Sprint. Good job. Round yellow cone.
and one thing that you want to do this year, or something that you really want to work on, or something you're really looking forward to this year?
More exercising and more running.
More running. Well, I'm going to tell your coach over there that you want to do more running. Do you think she should join the running in too?
Yes.
There you go. She's heard it. What about you, Lance? What's one thing that you're really looking forward to this year?
I got exercise.
Yeah.
You're playing the games at basketball and netball.
Yeah.
And then watching the truck at bike at the Wimmera River.
That's amazing, mate. That's a lot, but that's a lot you're looking forward to, which is awesome to see. Over here, one thing you're looking forward to this year, Jess?
Meeting new friends and playing netball because I love it.
Later in the year, we go in September. We go to Wimmera to play some games, and it's just a lot of fun.
Ebony?
Everything.
Nice. All right. That is red ball. Your
1, 2, 3, go Whippets!
Go Whippets!